Hello, my name is Zheng Jiying. I'm majoring in data science, and then this is my final project proposal. The problem will be we are analyzing the food prices. In recent years, inflation is the issue that we need to focus on. After food prices are changing very rapidly since since they we since food is our necessary stuff for consuming. Also, the, the, the gas price can rapidly change when international prices as oil changing. So we need to use statistic model to observe how it works under the precision model. Food prices are very important for every families, especially for those who are family are income are lower than average. We need to take care of those prices. The why it's important because for many families, we can see that food costs will take very long time for consideration on what they want, and then we can analyze less profitable items and whenever purchased deliveries at home. Also, online source is very important, and we can see how the food prices average will it be, and we can make some decisions on how the food price will impact the user, and for the management, how will it impacts the manage the import of food. This is the data might be used. The left table will include food prices data of United States cities, and the food price data will show the data for each regions. So this average price every year is for every month we will observe the products for each month. If you choose so from 1995 to 2023, and we can see the historical price trend for each year, and we can see every month is a average price. So we can see, for example, if you want to choose X, we can choose X. If you want to choose steaks, I can choose steaks for analyzing those prices for steaks. And if you want to choose gasoline, you want to see when can you get the gas, so that you can go to somewhere in the prices. So as we as where do you live, you can see the prices on where do you live, and you can see the city prices, city average, and we can see specific region of what do you have, and what for cities we can see how those look like. And then the right side is an annual price index, but it's not incomplete because we have something that we are going to see that we need to get monthly data, so that we can do every month or so. Then and we can do the annual price data, and then this is my prototype image. I might be doing plots tab, and this is my title of grocery store, and there's some tabs for every prices and the introduction. For introduction, I will write something about my introducing the prices for how food price changes impact our life, and doing prices will be price changing in some ways very rapidly, and doing plots and making average price tables. For average price tables, we can see month, year, type, and price, so that there will be a search tab, so that we can look up what price did they get, and then you can do some other types of light chart, sometimes like these scores on normal distribution, and maybe using recent year data to do that. But when you can do the conclusion after you finish up those questions. If the conclusion will be based on what you observed, and how will you improve the data and doing other stuff. The course possible high-level features using chart.js will help the professional users know how a graph works, and you can use real-time data rather than downloading the existing data, because sometimes the data type will not showing those irrationally, so showing this in real. Let me introduce the chart.js advantages. So the advantages will be simple and has flexibility to draw others. And it will help you comprehend the data, and maybe you can analyze them in different ways. Also, using Google Chart will be easy for users to build APIs simply and intuitively, and it provides a lot of styles and make it users kind and easy to understand content and obtain conclusions. It can be seen in various devices and will be responsive. Also, the Google it's very responsive. It's very easy to use, and you can load many API coverage, and it's a free resources for you to analyze what do you have, and then if you HTML, those are based on HTML apps, so that some people will help you doing the program that are easy to analyze. Also, maybe Tableau will also be based on the average, the analyze. So the Tableau will be another better resource, so that you can do showing another types of form. There are some questions. Since there is not database on the data exists, how will you collect different resource of data? I think we should ask more people, like managers, like grocery store managers and cashiers. You can ask them as many more questions. When you are in the supermarket and other type of grocery stores, will you check the product update that may be different? This can be asked during the shopping process. You can ask a membership or non-membership to do the charts, and they can provide before coupon or after coupon. The lacking of data might be a problem, because sometimes they secret them. their secret on some product, and this might be information about the membership only stores and need to be data to be collected accurately and showing specific food. Like some supermarket has their own brand. Maybe we can do the pro comparison. So how we do the comparison of them, and how we will show the difference, and what will the price change? Price comparison will impact the consumers' choices. Thanks.